You've seen those cinematic AI short films on YouTube. Millions of views. No camera, no actors, no studio. And you're thinking,
I could never make something like this. This must take insane editing skills. And probably expensive tools.
that's exactly why most people never even try. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Almost everything you think is required is completely wrong. Most people don't fail on YouTube because they're stupid. They fail because they're overwhelmed. No time, no editing skills, no money. Maybe you're a student. Maybe you tried YouTube once, spent hours editing, and quit because it felt like torture. And every time someone says, just be consistent, you feel like throwing your phone.
I want to make money while lying on my bed.
Relax. You lie down, hey, I'll bring the customer.
Phone. So no, this isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. You don't need to show your face. You don't need advanced editing. You don't need a camera. What you actually need is a system. A system where AI does all of the work, you have to only copy-paste. In this video, I'll show you exactly how creators are making cinematic short movies, how these videos are monetized on YouTube.
Hello guys, let's break down how you can create these cinematic AI videos and earn revenue from YouTube. We're using Sora 2, which is designed for creating stunning cinematic AI videos. To access Sora, go to the Higgsfield website. The link is provided in the description. Once you're on the website, click on the Video section. Here you'll see multiple options like Create Video, Cinematic Studio Video, and more. But we specifically want to use Sora 2, so click on that. Now you'll see Sora 2 listed here. You can also change models if you want. When you click on this, you'll find many popular AI video tools like Kling, Kling 2.6, Kling 2.1 Master, Kling Turbo, Google Veo, Minimax Hilo, and all their different versions. But for this video, we'll stick with Sora 2. Here you'll see multiple options, Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, and yes, we're choosing Sora 2 Pro Max. Now we need to upload an image, but if you don't have one, don't worry, just click Generate it. This will take you to the Higgsfield Image Studio, where you'll find multiple AI image tools like Nano Banana Pro and ChatGPT Image. But we'll use Higgsfield Soul because it provides a character feature. When you click on it, you can either select a character or upload your own. To generate your own character, you can use the prompt I've provided in the description. I also generated this character using Nano Banana inside Higgsfield. Now go back to Character, click New Character, and you'll see an option to upload up to 20 images. This is optional. I uploaded just one image, and within seconds, our character was created. Now, this is our actor, and this character will stay consistent across every image and scene. Next, I go back to ChatGPT and paste my main prompt to generate image prompts, image to video prompts, dialogue prompts. I've shared this exact prompt in the description. Once we get the output, we copy the image prompt for scene 1 and go back to Higgsfield. Paste the prompt, set the image ratio to 16:9, select 2K quality, choose the number of images, I'll select just one, and click Generate. Our image is ready with the same character. Now simply repeat this process. Copy the next prompt, paste it here, and generate the next image. Honestly, AI does most of the work. You just need to copy and paste. Hello guys, let's break down how it's time to turn them into a video. Go back to Video section, upload your first image, paste it here, make sure Sora 2 Pro Max is selected, set the duration to 8 seconds, video quality to 1080p, and aspect ratio to 16:9. Then click Generate. Within seconds, your video is ready.
They erased the truth, but they missed one thing.
Now, repeat this for all scenes.
For editing, don't worry, it's very simple. Open CapCut, which is perfect for beginners. First, upload all your video clips to the timeline. For transitions, I keep it minimal. I use black frames, which work perfectly for a cinematic feel. Now let's add the character names and roles. Go to Text Templates in CapCut and choose any clean style you like. I simply ask ChatGPT for the character name and role, then copy and paste it here. Repeat this step for all scenes. Next, add sound effects and background music directly from CapCut's sound library. For impact, I search for bomb explosion sound effects and place them carefully in the timeline. I add one more explosion for emphasis. Timing is key here. Now we move to the title. I generated the movie title logo, The Remnant, using Nano Banana with a cinematic prompt. Download the logo and import it into CapCut. Zoom it slightly to fit the frame properly. To make it feel like a real film intro, add a subtle text animation, a red lens effect, and a fire effect for intensity. Keep it cinematic, not overdone. Once everything is set, export the video.
The city never sleeps, it just forgets who it's waiting for.
They erased the truth, but they missed one thing.
If they're chasing me, it means I'm close. This signal isn't for them, it's for everyone.
That's it. The entire editing process takes less than 1 minute. Your cinematic short movie is now ready. You can also export the same video in 9.16 format and upload it as a YouTube short. If the movie is longer, upload it as a long-form video. Either way, you can start monetizing your content. This is one of the best content opportunities for 2026. Consistency is the key. One video every 2 to 3 days is more than enough, and honestly, this process is very easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel.